In the given question, this portion is x, p or q imply r, and this portion is y, p imply r or q imply r. Then which one of the following is a tautology? For tautology, for every combination of truth values, the statement should be true in every column. Then the statement will be a tautology. Let's check whether it is. We will solve it using truth table. P, Q, R, 0, 0, 0, false, false, true. Our x is P or Q imply R. Let's evaluate this. P or Q, 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1. Here it is 1, it is 1. Simply we will copy R, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Again, 0 implies 0, it is 1 according to the truth table of P imply Q. 0, 1, it is 1, 1, 0, it is 0, 1, again 0, 1, 1, it is 1, 1, 0, result is 0, 1, 1, result is 1. We need to erase this, this is the result of, this is x. Now we will evaluate y. P imply R or Q imply R. See, P imply Q is equivalent, is false whenever P is 1 and Q is 0, is false. For other three combination 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, it is 1. So we will use this concept here also, and we have used this concept here also. So P imply R is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Q imply R is 1, 1. See, Q imply 1 here, 0, so it is 0. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. If you will do OR of both these, it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, it is 0, 1. Erase this, erase this. If you see carefully, which is tautology, it can be clearly seen that x is not equivalent to y. Here it is 0, here it is 1. Here it is 0, here it is 1. So x is not equivalent to y, so option A is wrong. Option A is wrong. See, here it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You can look at this place. It is 1. It implies 0 implies 1 is 1. 0 implies 0 is 0. And everywhere it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So according to the truth table of P imply Q, x imply y is tautology. So B is the correct answer.